Guys, I want to show you something. I've been starting to wear some of my jewelry and I haven't worn it in years and it's kind of tarnished like this. This is 0.925 silver and it's pretty nasty looking. I don't know if you can see how dark it is. And I want it to look like this, but I don't want to spend money getting it done. So I found a really great, very easy homemade way to do it. And I'm going to share it with you guys. So take a cup. I've used a mason jar because that's just what I had in the kitchen. Some silver, like aluminum foil on the bottom. Just put it in the bottom of the cup, whatever you're using. Take a tablespoon, or you know what, I don't even measure it because I'm that person. I'd say about a tablespoon. Put it in the bottom, maybe a little bit more, maybe a tablespoon and a half. And then boil some water. Actually, before you do that, put the necklace in or whatever you have, rings. Boil some water, which I pre-boiled because I just did the other one. And then put it in. So then I'm just gonna take this spoon and I'm just gonna kind of like stir it around. Give it a few swirls. I was surprised, you guys, how well this worked. If you guys have any ways that you do it, let me know too. So it doesn't take very long, and you can see the water starts to go kind of gray, and it has that horrible smell that when you're cleaning silver. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about. It's awful, stinky smell. Okay, so I'm going to just give it one more swirly here. And then I'm gonna get it out. Okay, so I'm actually gonna grab this fork because I'm having a hard time getting it out with that spoon. Let's take it out and see what it looks like. There we go. Look, look how nice and shiny that is now. So yeah, such an easy way to get all that tarnish off, and chains are particularly hard to clean. So great way to clean up your jewelry, guys.